Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you this is step by step how to make a video pin on Canva for free so that you can share it on your Pinterest account so you get more view and more traffic to your website. You want to go to your Canva account and go to the home page, and you want to type in here pin video. So here are some templates that you can use. These are free templates that you can use. So let's pick one here. Let's say I want to use this. Let's say I want to use this template here. It is 1000 by 1005. So let's use that. So here, let's say I want to change the, let's say I want to add video here. So let's go to element and look for a video. Let's say star video, star. So if you click here, you get graphics. If you click here, you get photos. If you click here, you get video. If you click here, you get audios. If you click here, you get frames. Here you get charts. So I need video. Let's click that. Let's use this. Let's just drag and drop it here. And that's it. So now we can if I want to change the text here, I can just write anything I want here. If you want the video to occupy all the space, you can just fill it in here, drag it here. So let's say I want to add some text on top of the video. Just go here and go add the text box here. Let's add some text here. Let's say I want to change the color of this text here. You can highlight it and go here. You can now change the color to any color you like. For me, I need the white. Drag it down. So now it is done. So let's see how you can download this. So if you want to download it, you go share. So you want to go to download. Download as MP4. You want to download it as MP4, then click download. Now it's downloading. Then after that, you can upload it to your Pinterest pin. So that's the easiest way to create a video Pinterest pin on Canva for free. So let me know, guys. Drop your comment down below. Subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.